Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Chevy Silverado. This truck came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tears of the truck to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Okay, the exterior of this truck is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Driver's side looks good. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the passenger side looks good. Now let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This truck has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that everything looks fine. Perfect. I'm not seeing anything wrong with the buttons. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel looks really good. I'm not seeing anything wrong. So the interior of this truck is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the truck bed. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.